seatbelt sign. When opening the overhead lockers, please do be careful of any items that may have moved during the flight and could fall out. The aisle annexes must remain clear so any articles donated by the crew will be returned just as soon as possible. Before you leave us this morning, please remember to take everything with you, checking both in the seat pocket and overhead lockers. If your mobile phone is within easy reach, you may turn it on now. Today we'll be disembarking through the forward and rear doors. As we will be refuelling, if you are disembarking via the rear stairs, please ensure that all electronic equipment, including those mobile phones, remain turned off until you're well inside. Please also be reminded that smoking is not permitted on the tarmac or inside the terminal building. If you are travelling with small children or feel you have difficulties in the rear stairs, please feel free to exit via the forward error bridge. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for flying with Virgin Blue this morning. It has been our pleasure looking after you on board. On behalf of the entire crew, I'd like to wish you a safe onward journey, a warm welcome home on a great day at the office. Thank you and good morning.